As part of our growing AI roadmap, we're excited to introduce a new beta feature, AI-powered search. Starting today, users can interact with PDFs using a chatbot interface, ask questions in multiple languages, get document summaries. This is an early access beta feature. That means, it only works on PDFs with selectable text. You need to enable it manually per document, and we encourage you to enable it for your most viewed PDFs. We're collecting prompt, response feedback to improve accuracy and relevance. The more it's used, the better we can prepare for expanding our search capabilities, and your feedback is essential. Stay tuned for more AI functionality. Enable AI-powered search today and help shape the future of AI in Documoto. We are excited to announce our new feedback forum. Administrators can now access a submit feedback page directly in-app via single sign-on. You can now view, post, vote, comment, and search within the feedback forum without switching contexts. Several enhancements to item details pages include removed timestamps to improve clarity, emphasized ERP integrated information display, and added a supplier key display option.